Kate here with WTI, and if you want a nice small portable camping table, this one from YihuiKo is one I would definitely recommend. It's got a really nice wood grain finish on the top, but the best part is just how portable it is. So it folds into itself, it has a built-in handle, it's basically like carrying a briefcase around. It's height adjustable, so it comes with different attachments that are really easy to put on. So it can basically be like a side table. I love this when we're camping. If you have drinks or snacks that you want to have beside you at the fire, this is ideal. We also love to take it to the beach and we keep it on the lowest setting. Perfect for on our blanket, again, to put drinks and snacks. You can play cards on this. It's a nice little size, but so ideal. It's very easy to put together. Everything locks in place and it's just as easy to take apart. It's so slim, so that makes it very simple to take in the car, to carry around. It is not cumbersome whatsoever. It also comes with a mesh that you can attach to the legs, so then you have an extra layer to put things on. So if you're looking for the convenience of a nice little portable table, I'm sure you'll absolutely love this one too. It has really been a lifesaver for us, and that's my point of view.